The future is here, and it fits in your pocket. Meet the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the smartphone that redefines innovation, performance, and style. In today's video, we're taking an in-depth look at Samsung's latest flagship. From its futuristic design to mind-blowing features, you don't want to miss this. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest tech. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is nothing short of a masterpiece. With its ultra-slim bezels, a nearly invisible under-display camera, and a premium titanium finish, this phone is pure elegance. The 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED X2 display supports 4K resolution, 240Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. Whether you're gaming or streaming, every pixel feels alive. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is a beast. Powered by Samsung's Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset. This phone delivers unmatched speed and efficiency. With up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR6 RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, multitasking, gaming, and content creation are seamless. And let's not forget the massive 6000 mAh battery with 65W fast charging. No more worrying about running out of juice. Now let's talk cameras. The S25 Ultra boasts a groundbreaking 250MP main sensor, paired with a 50MP ultra-wide and dual 20MP telephoto lenses with 10x and 20x optical zoom. And for selfie enthusiasts, there's a 40MP under-display camera. Whether you're capturing a sunset or vlogging in 8K, the S25 Ultra delivers professional-grade quality every time. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a phone. It's a powerhouse of next-gen features. The S Pen is now more precise than ever, perfect for productivity and creativity. The AI-powered One UI 7 adapts to your habits, making your experience more intuitive. Plus, with satellite connectivity, you'll stay connected no matter where you are in the world. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is more than a smartphone. It's a revolution. But what do you think? Is this the ultimate flagship phone of 2025? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, stay connected and